Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video I have some amazing tool deals to share with you, and they are so crazy. So I got a bunch of deals over at Acme Tools. It's about 15 deals, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, and all of them have like this secret hidden discount thing going. You add the item to your cart and either the price gets cheaper or free items pop up in the cart. I don't know why, I don't know how this is working, but all I know is it results in some really amazing deals. I think two of these, you get 2 free items when you buy, and usually with Acme Tools, there's like a box down here that tells you what promotions are available, whether a promo code or a free item thing. None of that's on any of these pages, but when you add the item to your cart, you get free stuff, or you get a cheaper price. So we're going to use the YouTube shopping links. Boxes will be popping up here, there, and everywhere as we talk about each of these items. They're really good. I'm telling you, stick around. But first, I need you to indulge me for just a couple of deals on Amazon that I think are really good and worth your time. This is my website with the home improvement page right here, which I'll have linked in the description down below. And I wanted to show you this deal. I did a community post on it, but it's so amazing. You just got to know real quick. It's a little cheap guy, but we love it. It's a 50-pack of lag screws, 5/16 by 3.5 inch, $4.30. Now I bought these, it was probably a year ago that they had a similar discount on this exact same item where it was super cheap. So I can verify, well, first off, it's being shipped and sold right by Amazon, but I can verify you're definitely getting 50 lag screws. You get a whole box full of them, and for $4.30, those are probably what, 40 or 50 cents a piece if you went to the hardware store or somewhere to get it, go to Home Depot. So you're getting a bunch for that price. And because it's a sale price, you can get as many as you want. I bought 3 boxes when I got it, and I think it's a really good deal that you need to be aware of. Now, this other one I want to show you that's also going to be linked down below. It's the cordless plastic welding gun that is compatible with Milwaukee M18 batteries. So you slap your Milwaukee battery on there. It comes with all the little staples that you stick in the little electrode guys at the end. It gets hot, and you embed it in plastic. Like if you have cracked plastic or a piece that broke off or something, and it's like a little hot staple that melts in there, and then you cut the legs off. And usually you can use like a soldering iron or something to kind of smoothen the plastic right there and make the crack go away. So it normally is $24, but right now we have a 50% promo code, so you're only going to pay $11.99 for that. So if you're in Milwaukee's M18 lineup for $11.99, I mean, I'm ashamed of you if you don't buy it. It's $11.99 and it's a useful tool with all the staples. Come on. And the last one before we get back to the Acme tool deals, the cordless leaf blower for DeWalt 20-volt battery. So another generic brand that uses DeWalt batteries. It's Trexine, and it is 50% off. So we get the little different nozzles on the end of it, whatever you call the end with the blower. $59.99. Now there's a Prime member discount. I don't remember what that is, but if you open the Amazon page and you're a Prime member, you'll see that discount. And then we have a 50% promo code that goes through the end of the month. So if you're a Prime member, your 50% comes off of that lower amount. If you're not a Prime member, your 50% comes off of $59.99. So absolute worst case scenario, you're paying $29.99 for a leaf blower that'll use your DeWalt batteries, which is totally amazing. Now let's get back to these. Because there's like 15 of these, I didn't memorize. We're going to add each one to the cart. We'll try and be quick about it, but we're going to learn together what the free item is. So first up, we have the Milwaukee M12 Fuel multi-tool with 2 amp hour battery. So you get it as a full kit. It's variable speed fuel, so it's a brushless motor. You're getting that 2 amp hour battery to go with it. It's normally $199. It's on sale for $144, so we're already saving $50. Now we're going to add this bad boy to our cart. View the cart. Boom, look at that. We get an additional 2.5 amp hour battery for free, and we get a titanium blade for free. So 2 free items on top of the $144. After shipping, it's $150. Now Amazon, Acme Tools has free shipping on orders over $199. So keep that in mind, otherwise you're stuck with the $649 shipping charge, which really isn't too bad when you're getting that good of a deal. Look at that. I love it. This is amazing. Now, oh, look at this one. Wait. This gets cheaper. This is what happens on this one. Okay, so this deal is available from several different retailers, but it's going to get cheaper here. So we have the DeWalt 20-volt 5 amp hour starter kit. You're getting 2 5 amp hour batteries with the DCB 1104 charger. It's the new charger, 2-stage, 4 amp output, so a little over an hour to get full charge on each of those. And then you're going to get a free item. So we're going to look at the list super quick, Come on, load. Oh boy, let's hope the whole thing don't load this slow. We're just, well, we can scroll through real quick. If you haven't seen this deal, we're just going to give you a quick scrolly scroll. Boom, boom, boom. These are all your options. This is what you can get. Lots of things. Now we're not looking at best value here. We're just getting on to the next page. Add that bad boy to our cart. And look at that. 184. Oh, I forgot to remove the old stuff. Hold on, we gotta do a little mop-up duty. So instead of $199, we're paying $184, getting an additional little discount. We're still getting the free item. And look at, with the little promotions, they add the word hack to the end of each of them. I don't know why. I don't know exactly what that's supposed to mean, but you'll notice these promotions, they all say hack at the end. But hey, if you were going to do that deal anyways and you were going to pay $199, now you can pay $184, and you're getting the free tool plus those 2 batteries. I mean, that's a damn good deal. That is a very good deal. So I may have remembered the discounts for both of those, and that's why we led the video with those. The rest of these I really don't know. We have the Makita 18-volt LXT compact LED flashlight power source bare tool. It's $49. So you see the little light there. You have the little USB port. You slap that on your batteries. And let's see, $49. We add that guy to our cart. Goes down to $39. Do we get a free tool? Just the discount. See, it says hack again. Just the discount. So we get $10 off if we get the Makita LED flashlight power source guy. Next, we have the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander Kit. Normally $269, which is way too much, down to $179. Now, does it show us what kind of a... That looks like the 2.5, isn't it? I think it is. It's too small. I can't see it. But we get the little detail orbital sander. We're getting in those corners and everything. We're going to add that guy to our cart. Let's see, $179 still. So what are we getting here? What are we getting? Ooh, look at that. The Milwaukee Pack Out Organizer. So $179. We're getting that kit, which is already discounted super. And then we're also getting the Pack Out. Let's look at that guy. Look at that for free. So $50 value, they say, on that guy. Boy, I might have to pick that up. I'm going to get that, and then that video we did just yesterday on the Home Depot deals for $49 had that other pack-out case with like the 100-piece bit set. Get both of these, I'm going to be like in the pack-out lineup. In the system. I think I'm going to come back and get this after the video. That's a really good deal. $179 and getting the pack-out. Now here we have 2 variations of this, so we're going to go back to back on this one. The DeWalt 20-volt max string trimmer kit, folding, 14-inch. I actually like the folding one. It's easy storage, but also if you do any kind of on-the-go, like maybe you're doing someone else's house, or if you have like a little landscaping business or something, or I don't know, maybe your kid mows lawns and does some weed whacking around. Look, the folding thing, I like. I'm a big fan. It also says made in the USA, which is kind of nice. Everyone wants that, so let's make sure we point that out. P1, so P means 5 amp hour battery. So this kit comes with one 5 amp hour battery, and it's the full kit. Not sure what charger, but that's not as important. Well, it's right here, but I can't see it. It's one of the old chargers with a 5 amp hour battery. I would bet it's the DCB 115, so that's a 4 amp output. Let's get it add to our cart. So we're at $189 from $219 down to $189 when we add it to our cart. Let's see if we get any free thing to go with it. Just the discount. So $219 down to $189 on that guy. And then we are, I wish I didn't have to confirm things every time. Now here's the exact same thing except for the bare tool. So this one is $159. Now look at what you were getting just price to price on this one and that previous kit. You're getting a high value 5 amp hour battery and what really is my favorite charger, even though they come with the newer ones now, which I guess, but for a long time it was my favorite. And look at $134. So bare tool, that is really good. I'm going to guess, we'll check, but I'm going to guess that we don't have anything else. $134. So $159 down to $134 on that guy. Boy, this is fun. I like it. It's like the suspense. What do we get this time? Makita 40-volt max 2-gallon quiet series compressor bare tool, $414. Now, I'm going to go ahead and assume this is not a... I probably shouldn't assume things. You know what they say about assuming. Okay, so what I want to say is I have the DeWalt FlexVolt cordless air compressor, and even with the big-ass FlexVolt batteries, it eats batteries so bad. It is so terrible with batteries. You would have to have 35 flex volt batteries to keep that air compressor running. Even just running like a brad nailer or something, it's small so it still turns on a lot and it just chews batteries like crazy. And I don't see anywhere where this says it's dual voltage or whatever, where you can plug it in or run it off a battery, which I feel like it has to be with something like this. So just be aware. I know it's 40 volt, but the other one's a flex volt. Um, if you are interested, you got to have batteries. You got to be like the king of batteries. So we go from 414 to 384 on this one. Oh, and we get a free brad nailer to go with it. See, I was a little disappointed at first because, okay, yeah, you're saving money, 414 down to 384, But now we're getting a free brad nailer too. $100 value or so they say. The Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Driver Bit Pack-Out Kit. This is a 70-piece kit, a little different than the other one we looked at. $49.88. See if it shows. There's a quick, too small probably for you to see. Anyway, $49.88. Too small for me to see, so I'm going to guess it's too small for you. Okay, we're going to get something free here. We're going to get something free here. Let's pair it with the sander. Pair it with the sander. Pair it with the sander. Tumbler! I don't know if that's that amazing. I mean, I guess I would have it. I got a Milwaukee shirt and a Milwaukee hat, so I could just be like all matching and have a tumbler too. So $49.88 and then a free tumbler. It's okay. Could have done better. Why is it 104 over here? Why do I have two items? What is going on with this one? Did they all... Oh, wait. The discount's right there. Okay, I'm just getting stupid. I'm getting too excited. Okay. We're okay. Everything's fine. DeWalt 20-volt max compact 5-tool combo kit. So it's $579. Again, it says made in USA, so let's point that out. Make sure you see that. Okay, so the light's Boo Boo, low value edition. That's the OG angle grinder. It's probably 12 years old right now. Works fine. I wouldn't say it's like a bad tool, but it's an old tool. And okay, so they're all old. It's an old kit, which means it should be lower value. I don't like the $579, so it better come with something free or a huge discount because $579 sucks. It goes down to $479, so it's $100 off. Now let's see, do we get a free item too? Do we get something free with our $479? Yes, we do. 5 amp hour battery with the, I'm going to say the DCB 115 probably, but we get some kind of a charger. So a $100 discount and a free 5. I'm seeing Christmas gift for somebody. Keep the 5 for yourself. Give someone else the set. They're very happy. That might be too much for a Christmas gift. That's still $479. Okay, you give them pieces of it. You sell off a few pieces, give them the light. It's not worth much value to resell anyways. Give them the light, the battery, and the charger. Sell the rest. Boom, you break even, and you make someone happy with the Christmas gift. You're welcome. I'm just full of ideas. Milwaukee Bulldozer and Sawzall Blade Pack-Out Kit, 20-piece. So we got a couple of pack-out things. I'm liking that we got the pack-outs because I'm telling you, I'm getting that sander when we're done. I think that's a nice deal. I like it. Okay. Bulldozer, 20-piece. It's $149. Boy, that's just too much. I don't like that. Ooh, $69. That's almost $100 off. We should have had this one up sooner. I don't think I removed the other stuff from the kit, or it comes with 2 free things. Let's see. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. 60. It's almost $100 off. I'm seeing 3 pack-out items as a nice little chain. It gets us free shipping. We're getting amazing deals. Bulldozer with the Sawzall and the pack-out. $69. They should do this more often. This is very fun. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 12-inch top handle chain. I want to try one like this. Would I like this? Do a lot of chainsawing, but I've never had the top handle like that. $339. Boy, that's expensive. And it's only a 12-inch. I'm trying to think, is the big Milwaukee, is it 16-inch? I'm pretty sure that's a 16-inch that I have. It eats batteries like insane. It's almost as bad as that FlexVolt air compressor. It's actually not quite as bad as that, but it's pretty damn bad. That was... Oh, that might have been $600 as a kit. Now I don't remember because it was the pole saw that was cheaper. Anyways, let's add this. Let's see what we got going. Okay, it's a $30 discount. Please say there's something free. Please say there's something free. Oh, it's only a $30 discount. Okay, I probably wouldn't go with this. That's not enough of a discount to get my juices flowing, you know what I mean? No, don't be weird about it. Okay, now this one, because it is included, I don't know if anyone's actually going to want this or get this, but since it has a discount or it has a free item, I don't remember which, but it's included, we're going to talk about it. It's the DeWalt 37-inch 4-drawer chest. So you got the top chest. I do like the integrated power strip, it looks like back there, and then we have some kind of a rail system and some mounts for, I'm going to assume those are battery mounts. It's $449. I don't know what shipping's going to be. Maybe we'll see on the next screen. But I'm assuming they're not doing free shipping on this. Okay, so $449 down to $399. We need something free. Free bottom chest, free bottom. Oh, didn't happen. Okay. Um, it says free shipping. I think once you put your address in, it's not going to be free shipping because Acme Tools is really bad about oversized shipping and like freight charges, and they get expensive. It's hard to buy big stuff from Acme Tools. I feel like once you go through the checkout process and you add in your address and everything, that is not going to be a free shipping item anymore. But if it is, that's great. $3.99, meh, I wouldn't buy it for that. And we need a bigger discount. I got spoiled by those early ones. Okay, guys, so that's it. I had to show you it. I just thought I love this. I want to see more deals of this fashion. I like the the suspense of adding it to the cart. But boy, some of those are good. $100 off on that pack out. Oh man, that sander getting 2 free items. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, click the bell so you're the first to know when new deals come out. I'll see you next time.